Hi guys, I've got the Shark Duo Clean Detect XL here. Just arrived today off Amazon. I did have a normal Duo Clean Detect, but unfortunately I had to send it back because the sensor on the cleaner had stopped working. So the price had gone up by about £70, something like that, and I didn't want to pay the extra, so I thought, why not get an XL instead? So this is what the box looks like. It's got a quick start guide as well. It's got the 2-in-1 brush and the turbo brush. I'm trying to remember what the model is now. It's LA791UKT, I think it is. Something like that anyway, so we're going to get into the box now. I'm just going to pause it while I get all this tape off, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we've got that box open now. So when you open the box, it opens from the top. So yeah, it's the LA700 series, this one. Is there a model number? We'll find out the model number when I get out of the box. So you've got the instruction manual there. And this is the crevice combo tool. It's like a nice dark grey colour. Nice soft bristles on there, and then you just push that like that and slide it. That's the crevice combo tool. And then you have the anti-odor technology thing here, so that goes on the cleaner head. I'll show you that in a minute. Just comes in like a little tin. So we'll put that to one side for a second. And what else have we got here? So I believe this to be the turbo brush. Yeah, so it's like anti-hair wrap plus, it says on it. It's got like a rubber sort of squeegee thing on it, and like a little lint picker thing there for the stairs and stuff like that. I'll have to try that in a different video one day. I believe this to be the hose. Let's get that cardboard out of the way. So I've got the hose on the handle here. It's like a nice greyish blue colour. It's got the minimum max on it. And this is the cleaner head. Big cleaner head, but that looks like it means business, definitely. So it's got the soft roller on the front of your half floors, and then you've got the main roller there. It's got like this rubber strip on it, and then some quite soft bristles. I think the rubber strip will definitely help it get deep down into the pile of carpet. So I just don't need to pause it this time. So this is the little anti-odor thing. It smells really good, this as well. So you slot it in. I think you match the arrows there. You can just lift up the handle and you turn it to the desired thing. I'm going to need 2 hands to do it. You've got the plus is the max, so I'm just going to set that to the max and then I'm going to show you that. There we go, so that's on the max there. And next we have the main sort of body of the vacuum cleaner here, so the main sort of telescopic handle thing. And then under here is the machine itself. So this is a machine all out of the box. It's nice and easy to assemble. There's no tools required. As I showed you before, you can put the anti-odor thing there in the cleaner head. And then this is the main body of the machine. So this bit just needs to align with that. And it clicks into place just like so. And then next you can put the handle on. And that goes this way. It's hard to do it one-handed. I'm trying to show the vacuum cleaner. So slots in like that, clicks in place. And then this end of the hose just slots into there. Sorry, I got interrupted then, so it just slots into place just like so. And then it just clicks into place there. And then if you want to, you can put the both the tools on board. If I can get a grip of it, that is. Just like so. That's just for demonstration, but some of them actually do come with additional tools. This particular one doesn't, but that's where this comes in. So I've got my other Amazon package here. It's not a genuine shark one, but it's probably similar quality. It's the one of those dual tools. So it's got the stair and upholstery tool and the brush there. So I do quite like that tool. So I'll be putting this one on board with the machine. I'm just gonna... So yours may or may not come with that tool. My particular model didn't. Just while I'm here as well, it's the LA791UKT, this one. It's a nice size bin on there. Gotta love the new shark look, haven't you? Nothing like a new vacuum cleaner. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plug it in and give it a demonstration. Okay, so that's the first demonstration of the Shark LA791UKT. I'm not going to demonstrate it on half floor today because there's really a good opportunity to do that at the moment, but at some point I'll take it to my mum's house and I'll demonstrate it there. I vacuumed a couple of days ago, but picked up a lot of fine dust. The only thing I don't like is the bin gets like splattered in dust, and there's quite a bit of fluff there as well. That's the filter for it. It's not too hard to push. This carpet's sort of quite a low pile really. It's sort of like low to medium pile carpet, and then the one of the hallway sort of medium pile. But yeah, so far I'm pleased with this little pleased with this new Shark. It seems to be perfect for what I need it for. So hope you enjoyed this little video, and there'll be more videos to come.